I wanted to talk to you briefly about photopuncture and the idea of using light instead of needles to activate energy meridians on the body or even the vagus nerve. So Light Therapy Resource does sell a torch that looks like this. All purchases of the Light Therapy Resource torch also include access to our database of photopuncture charts. So once you get the hang of this, you'll be able to go in there when you have an issue like a cold or a stomach ache or headache, and you can look up that chart and then use the torch with those points to help yourself, and you'll be amazed at how quickly it can make you feel better. However, there are many devices on the market that will work. You just need a targeted beam of light in order to use the photopuncture charts. Let's go ahead and take an example. This is the parasympathetic nervous system shift chart that you have in your course. You'll notice that there is mention of lighting up the midline. So I want to show you quickly an example of what we're talking about here. When you look at a chart and it says midline, that means you're only going to light that area once, and it should be right along the middle of the body. Otherwise, if it's on one side of the body or the other, you're going to light the one side for 30 seconds, and then you're going to light the other side for 30 seconds. So let's go over a couple of examples. The yin tang is a perfect example of a midline point that you will only hit once. So all you're going to do, if you're using the Light Therapy Resource torch, is use the red and infrared setting, which is 2 clicks. You either use the safety glasses if you need to, or close your eyes, and you're going to take this and you're going to put it right up against your skin, directly touching the skin like this, for 30 seconds. And that's it. You're done with that point. Again, if you have sensitivity to light, please use the included safety glasses. Now, an example of a point that's not on the midline is BL10, bladder 10. So bladder 10 is on the back of your head, and what you're going to do is light up each side for 30 seconds. I'll show you an example. You'll want to move your hair or any clothing out of the way. And again, the second button for this one. And you're simply going to light up right against your head first. Okay, and it's that simple. So anything you see that shows a point on one side, you're going to go ahead and light that side for the 30 seconds, and then you're going to light the other side for 30 seconds. At Light Therapy Resource, we do recommend activating the parasympathetic nervous system prior to starting any light therapy session. So that's why we've included this chart in your course. So go ahead and give it a try. Use that chart in the course, go ahead and light up those points and see how you feel afterwards.